All right, in this video, we are going to be talking about blogging within your Showit website. So in our template, when you purchase one, you will have probably noticed when you tried out our template and took it for a test run that you got taken to different blogging pages. And then when you purchased it, you'll notice that there's some extra pages in your blog over here, over to the left. So what I'm going to show you is why there were some extra pages. First of all, because your blog is something that we like to call a WordPress template. So if you see over here and you click on your blog page, you can see that in template info, it is a WordPress template. And that you can see also right here on the left, it says blog templates. And so what we had to do in order to show you what a blog would look like before you purchased it is we had to kind of make some demo pages. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to delete these pages. You don't need to hide them, you need to delete them. But this was just an example of what it would look like if you had already set up your blog and everything was live and everything was working as it should be. So within our blog, you'll notice a few things. This is the actual blog page. Don't delete it. This is what it needs to be in order to have a WordPress blog within Showit. If you were to click on it and click for an example in this featured post section, this is going to be what your latest featured blog post is. And you can set that all within WordPress. But you can see over here that the canvas is a featured post and it's set to post view lookup, and it's going to look up by the category of featured. And you would set that within WordPress. Let's say you add a new blog, you're talking about something important that happened that you want to share, and then you want to set the category of that specific blog post to featured, and that way it would show up right here. Now, if you'll notice here, if you click on read the post, it sets to a link and it sets to a WordPress post. And that means it's going to click, and you would click it and read it, and it would take you right to this latest blog post. Now, if you'll notice that if we go over here to the left on our demo blog, the reason that you need to delete these is because they are not set up to sort of talk to WordPress like they should be able to. And that was just for the reason of showcasing what it would look like if it were correct before you purchased it. So if you click on this and read the post, you can see that instead of a WordPress post, it's set to a page and it's set to single post, and that is because we wanted to show you sort of what it would look like, but you will need to delete all of that. Everything in the blog, single post, and your category pages is already set up for you as it should be, so you won't need to change any of these settings, but I just wanted to talk you through it for just a second in case it was a little bit confusing. So again, what you'll need to do is delete these demo pages, and then once you start blogging within WordPress, everything else will populate. Now, if you noticed here that there are only 3 sections of posts, of course, as you blog over time, you're going to have 10, 20, hundreds of posts, however many you're going to be blogging about. That's because only 3 of them will show, and that's just how we have designed this specific blog. People will be able to find the extra posts as they click older or newer. Let's say you have 20 posts that are all about cats in rain boots that are orange, and you want to have a whole category page about orange rain boots. That would be what this looks like, and this would be category, and you would update it to say orange rain boots. And then you would be able to have all of the posts that are about orange rain boots populate within here, and that again is something that you will update within WordPress, and that is going to be the category of blogs that are all related to orange rain boots. And you could have as many categories as you want to. You could have purple rain boots and pink rain boots and things like that. So all of this, like I said, is going to be within your WordPress blogging settings. And of course, Showit has amazing workshops and courses and little webinars all about blogging. So I recommend that you click the links in our PDF and learn about how to navigate WordPress and start blogging with your Showit website, and you should be good to go. Of course, if you have questions, you're welcome to reach out to the Showit team or to us, and we should be able to help you out.